Hello my friend, this is Tianjin Rocketis Technology CO, Limited. Welcome to our channel. I will show you our Germany type house clamps by this video. These type house clamps are also called non-perforated band clamps. They are mostly used in European region. The materials include W1, all parts of carbon steel with zinc plated. W2, housing and band stainless steel 201, 301 304, screw carbon steel with zinc plated. And W4, all parts are stainless steel 304 or 316. The Germany type solid housing house clamp is also known as European style house clamps. Its unique non-ventilated design, combined with a reinforced buckle cover structure, ensures outstanding sealing performance while significantly enhancing the clamp's overall strength and durability. House clamp roll is designed for easy DIY use, allowing you to cut custom lengths for quick pipe repairs anywhere, at home, in your garage, for lawn care, or garden maintenance. The flexibility makes it perfect for emergency fixes and various household projects.